welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is Topic Beauty. Today we are going to dip into a new Lunar Beauty product. This is the Advent Calendar, the 12 Days of Lunar. Stay tuned. Got a shipment from Lunar Beauty. It's his holiday collection. Let me pull everything out here. I already opened it and cheated. The reason I did is because I will show you in just a moment. Miss Manny came out with Lunar Beauty 12 Days of Lunar. This is the Advent Calendar. This is how she opens up. There's a little message right here, and there's 12 slots, and then a big beautiful thing down here. I did get, he came out with a couple of lip oils at the same time. I only bought one. This one's called Love Me. Actually, is this a new one? Now that I'm saying that. Let's see what this one smells like, and then I'll know. Oh, this is a new one. Look at that. I think this one smells like strawberry, which made me buy it. Yes, it smells like strawberry. And I got also a new of my favorite gloss by him. I'm wearing Zaya on my lips right now because that is my favorite lipstick ever, of anything, anywhere, of all time. I don't know if these are still available, but I want to show you because you know I love Lunar Beauty. I've opened them all. The only one I didn't was number 1. So you take, can you see me? We take this little box out of here. I think you're supposed to do it for the 12 days of Christmas. Open one for 12 days of Christmas, but we're opening them all right now. And it comes in this little purple box. So cute. And inside is the little eyeshadow component. First, I'm gonna open them all, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. So number 2, I already took out of the box. It is like this purpley shade. He did not give the eyeshadows names. We'll get to that. Number 3 is this gold. Ooh, this one's pretty. This almost, you know, I'm just gonna open them and then maybe I'll swatch them on my arm. My battery's gonna freaking die. This is box number 4, nice matte shadow. Number 5, I'm not gonna keep lifting it up because y'all know what numbers look like. This is a nice, I feel like it's hard to tell in the, oh, this one's pretty. This is a nice matte. Box number 7 is this lady right here. Show it. Box number 8 is green. Y'all know I love me some green eyeshadow. Number 9 is another sort of green. Box number 10. Oh, shit, that box. Wow. This one's cute. This is like a little, as that girl Shay would call, a little puppy dog brown. Number 11. She's like a rosy, creamy looking shade. And number 12. Having difficulties here. Even though I took them all out of the purple boxes. Oh, this one's nice. All right. So, I watched his video of his release of this, and that's really taped on there. Shadow number 9, was it? Yeah, day number 9. Shadow number 9. Day number 9. He said the formula when the palette was brought to him, when each individual color was brought to him, was not the exact one that the formula that he approved. So he made them go back and fix it. And he said, rather than open up all the boxes and replace, he just added this. So you get a little bonus eyeshadow. It's not a bad eyeshadow, he said, but It's a new. All right, so we are gonna open box number 9. Same purple, cute little box. And there it is. It's that shimmery green shade. I honestly wonder how he could tell. Just by look, I don't know. This one's the one that came in the box, and this is the corrected, if you want to call it that. All right, so down here is the palette. I didn't open it. I should have, because this is not simple. Oh, jeez. Look, I can't. I suck at opening things. Okay, we did it. I ripped that to smithereens. Here is the palette, the signature moon that you can feel kind of raises up some trees. Why did I have to look at that to know there were trees? And there is the inside. There is a mirror and your 12 slots to create your own layout. I'm just gonna pop them in, no particular order right now. It's kind of like a magnetic-y thing, and then you can, I don't want to do it while it's up, but you can see this little notch right here, so that way you can just stick your little fingernail in there and pop them back out and arrange them however you want. I'm just gonna arrange them. The shadows all open. I just put them in the way they came day 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through 12. I will arrange the palette if I feel the need to suit my fancy. Right now, I like the way it looks. I think it looks super pretty. So we're gonna dive right in. My eyes are primed. Got this stiff kind of, it's not really a blending brush, but we're gonna use it kind of as one today. All right, I am going to pick up this color right here. It's on the tip of my brush, tap off the extra, and I'm just doing, not going up as high as I usually do. I'm just going to do right under the brow bone in the crease here, and just like that. Just gonna make it a little deeper. And now that I don't have a lot of color, I'm just gonna hit the inner corner. This color is so pretty. It's gonna be so basic, so simple. I'm going to drag this right along the lid. And underneath, I think. I didn't add any extra color to the brush. I'm just bringing what's left over. And then trying to decide if I want to use this little puppy dog color brown that I'm copying that word from Shay, or this color here, which is kind of like a mustardy orange. I'm gonna look at them both. Look at those. Because I want to use this color on my pinky from day number 1. Look at that. I'm gonna block my face. Put it on my hand for you. We'll do that with these colors too. Such a pretty trio. Wow. Such a pretty, so pretty. Could probably use this palette every single day, even the greens, because they're not, you know, I like green, and I don't care if it's loud and in your face kind of green, but these two greens, let me swatch them real quick. There's that shimmer one. Oh man. And then the matte. I didn't do a very good swatch, but ooh, look at that, just another, wow, that's so gorgeous. Smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna pick up that mustardy yellow color, day number 6 right here. I'm gonna tap off the extra, and I'm just going to bring it from my inner corner and just kind of blend the edges of this other color here, and just kind of sweep it up a little tiny bit, almost like I'm touching it and flicking it up. I don't know what to call that, but I feel like it just softens the makeup just a little bit more. Just to give it a little bit of sticky, I'm just taking a little dab just in the center where I don't have any eyeshadow. Just a tiny bit more, what's it called? Eyeshadow primer. And we are gonna pick up this #1 color right here on our finger. Yes, the middle finger. Yeah, we're just gonna put her right in the center. And we're kind of gonna overlap the inner corner here, the outer part here, and up to my brow bone. Cute. On this pencil brush, it's not so little. I'm going to pick up color #5, day #5, and I'm going to use that. That's what she looks like swatched on my hand. I'm going to use that as an inner corner and an under the brow highlight. See how well she picks up on a brush. Oh, look at that. Ooh. This is day #5. And now we're just gonna do right under the arch of the eyebrow and just kind of, and then I always take my pinky finger and kind of smush and drag it up into my brow. If it fucks up my brow, I'll just fix them, which I kind of fluffed them a little bit. Okay, so what I did is I took that color, I didn't add any extra color, I just dragged this color here down a little lower under my lashes. And I'm going to grab, this is a very small, very tiny smudger brush. And I'm going to pick up day #12 just on the tip of the brush. And I'm going to hit just the lashes. Very lightly, but see the difference? I just took a little tiny bit and just put it right on the edge. Of the outer, just the tiniest bit. See that? Just right there on my lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes and we'll be right back. I used a lot of Lunar Beauty products today. I used the Outer Dimensions face palette. I used Nude Prism blush palette. I used my, where did sugar? My favorite of all lipsticks. Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick in the color Zaya. I also used Celine, I showed you that. I used Mars, the Moon Prism highlighter. I do have a video full face of Lunar Beauty that I will put somewhere up here, so you can check that out if you want. I love Lunar Beauty products. I love Manny MUA. If you haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and do that because it's a good time. It's a good time. All right, I am going to clean up my mess here. Give me a moment. Oh, I did say, forgot about, I did say I would use this again. It's the Patrick Ta mascara. I like it. I used it with my Lash Food Lash Primer. It's nice. It's good. I didn't give it a fair shot the first time. I'm gonna put a second coat because I always put a second coat no matter which eyeshadow mascara I'm using. That's the face. That's the look. That's what we're going with today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe before you walk out the door, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.